Okay, children, let us stand and let us pray. Children, follow after me and let us pray, okay?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Thank you, God.
Thank you, God,
for this new day
for this new day
in my school
in my school
to work and pray.
to work and pray.
Please
Please
be with me
be with me
all day long.
all day long.
In every story,
In every story,
game, and song.
game and song.
May all the happy things
May all the happy things
we do
we do
make you,
make you,
our Father,
our Father,
happy too.
happy too.
Good morning, class.
Good morning, teacher. Good morning, classmates. It's nice to see you again.
Okay, please have a seat, children.
Thank you, teacher.
Now, I will going to call your name, and if your name will be called, say present. Understand, children?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, let's start. Phoebe Jane Sahor,
Present, teacher.
Ryan Simugan,
Teacher, present.
Nurhaida Jamalul,
Present, teacher.
John Ray Hidalgo.
Present, teacher.
Yes, very good. Okay, our attendance for today is perfect. Clap your hands. Okay, children, now, who among you here can remember our topic yesterday?
Teacher,
Yes, Nurhaida.
teacher, our topic yesterday is all about our birthday.
Yes, very good, Nurhaida. Children, give a round of applause to Nurhaida. Yes. Now, in our story yesterday, who had her birthday?
Teacher.
Yes, Baby Jane.
Anna, teacher.
Yes, very good. It's Anna. Give Baby Jane a round of applause. Yes. Anna had her birthday in our story yesterday. Now, when was her birthday?
Teacher!
Yes, John Ray.
21, teacher!
Yes, 21. Very good. Let's give him a round of applause. Yes, very good. Now, children, we will going to have an activity. We will going to sing and enjoy. Are you ready?
Yes, teacher.
Are you ready?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, I will going to play this video and you will going or we were going to enjoy and sing. Stand up, children. Okay, stand up. Yes. Let's start now.
You go first. No, you go first. Okay, then let's introduce each other. I am A. I make the sound cat. Cat. I am short vowel A.
Okay, it's my turn. I am E. I make the sound red. Red. I am short vowel E. Alright, now me. I am I make the sound thin. I am short vowel I.
Ooh, is it my turn now? I am O. I make the sound dog. I am short vowel O. Yeah, it's finally my turn. I am U. I make the sound nut. I am short vowel U.
question. Did you enjoy our video presentation?
Yes, teacher.
Did you?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, very good. Clap your hands. You did enjoy our activity, so now we were going to have another one. Do you see what I am holding?
Yes, teacher.
What are these?
Pictures.
Oh, pictures. Yes, Rahaida, very good. It's a pictures, different pictures, right?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, very good. And now, you are going to match these pictures, different pictures, with similar vowel sounds. Ready, children?
Yes, teacher.
Yes. You are going to match these different pictures. I will give you an example. Okay. What are these?
An apple, teacher.
An
Apple, teacher.
Yes, very good. An apple. Now, what are these?
Another apple.
An
Acorn.
acorn. So, this apple and acorn has similar vowel, right?
Yes, teacher.
Yes. Now, I have here some other pictures like elephant, eagle, insect, island, ostrich, oatmeal, unicorn, and umbrella. So, you are going to match these pictures with the same or similar vowel sound. Ready?
Yes, teacher.
Yes. Okay. Fabi Jade, I want you to choose pictures with these papers, then post it in our board. Okay, very good, Fabi J. Clap your hands, children, for Fabi J. Now, I want Ryan to post this one. Okay, choose pictures here, Ryan, and then post it on our board. Another one. Yes, very good, Ryan. Okay, another. Who wants? Yes, Haida.
Teacher, I want also teacher.
Yes. Later, John Ray. I will give you a time. Yes, very good, Haida. Clap your hands. Children. And now, the last one is John Ray. Okay, very good, John Ray. Clap your hands. Children. Yes. Okay, children, do you have any idea about our topic today? Any idea? Yes, Sir Haida.
Teacher, I think it's all about vowel sounds.
Okay, it's all about vowel sounds. So very good, Sir Haida. It's all about vowel sounds. Children, clap for Sir Haida. Yes, it's all about vowel sound. Now, let's begin with vowel A. So, this is a vowel A. A vowel A. Now, we will identify what will be the sound of a vowel A. A vowel A have a sound A.
Ah.
Like that one? Okay, very good. I will give you an example. Example.
Apple.
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 Apple. Vowel A.
Vowel A.
Vowel A.
Vowel A.
Sounds.
Sounds.
Apple.
Apple.
Yes. Very good. Clap your hands. Okay. Second is vowel E.
E.
Vowel
Vowel E.
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 Vowel E has a sound or vowel sound E.
E.
Good one. E.
E.
Example. Elephant.
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 Okay, elephant.
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 Elephanti.
Elephant.
Elephant.
Vowel E.
Vowel E.
Vowel E.
Vowel E.
Vowel
Sounds
E.
Sounds.
E.
E.
Example, elephant. For our third one is vowel I. Vowel I sounds E.
E.
Very good.
E.
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 Example, insect.
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 Yes. Vowel I
Vowel I.
sounds E.
Sounds
E.
Example, insect.
Example, insect.
Yes. Very good. Now, vowel O.
Oh.
Yes. Vowel O.
Vowel O.
Vowel O.
Vowel
Okay. Vowel O sounds O.
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 Yes. Sounds O. Example is oatmeal.
Oatmeal.
Yes.
Oatmeal.
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 Yes. Oatmeal.
Oatmeal.
Vowel O
Vowel O.
sounds
Sounds. O.
example oatmeal.
Example, oatmeal.
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 For last one is vowel U.
U.
U. Sounds O.
O.
Sounds O.
O.
Example. Umbrella.
Umbrella.
Yes. Umbrella.
Umbrella.
Vowel U.
Vowel U.
Sounds
Sounds.
Oh.
O.
Example.
Example,
Umbrella.
Yes. Very good. Clap your hands, children.
yay!
We already know about what are the vowels A, E, I, O, U. And we've already identified what are these vowel sounds, right?
Yes,
Yes,
teacher.
teacher.
The vowel sounds of letter A is A.
O.
And the vowel sounds of a vowel E is E. And the vowel I, the sound of a vowel I is E.
E.
Yes, E. And the vowel O, the sound of a vowel O is O.
O.
O. Then the vowel U, the sound of a vowel U is O.
O.
O. Now I have here an activity. The instruction is find and circle the vowels. The vowels are A, E, I, O, N, U. Very good. Now I want a volunteer coming from you who will find and encircle the vowels here on the board. Who
Oh,
wants-
teacher.
Yes, John Ray.
Teacher. Bilugan, teacher.
Yes, bilugan.
Okay.
Yes, very good. Clap for John Ray, children. Okay, now. Yes, Sir Haida. Very good. Clap for the Haida, children. Next, Ryan. Yes, Ryan.
Yay,
Very
Ryan.
good,
Go,
Very-
Ryan.
Ryan is very active. Okay, it's you. Now, PBJ.
Ay,
Yes, vowel E. Next is Arnolfo. Yes, Arnolfo. Vowel. It's a vowel I. Okay? Find and circle the vowels. The vowels are A, E, I, O, U. Very good. Okay, for this activity, I have here sheet of paper consists of different letters. Now the instruction is find the letters as what we have done before. We will going to encircle the following vowels. So the vowels are A, E, I, O, and U. I will give you this activity sheet, each of you, then you are going to answer this one. Understand?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, very good. Are you done, children?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, very good. For your assignment, review and study what we had lesson for today. Okay, understand?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, very good. Please stand, children. Goodbye, children.
Bye. Thank you, teacher.
See you tomorrow.
Yes, goodbye, children.